Hello, in this video I want to show you how to leave BIOS in ASRock motherboard. And to do this, I'm gonna show you the way how to leave BIOS without saving settings and when you want to save the settings. So first of all, let's enter the easy panel and the panel should look like this, and you can change between the two different panels by clicking on F6. So this is advanced mode and we want to go for easy mode. Then when you can see it like that, you can click on discard changes right here to leave BIOS without saving any changes, or if you want to save your settings, then press on this button instead. And the corresponding buttons on your keyboard for that, if your mouse doesn't work, is F7 if you want to discard the changes and F10 if you want to save the changes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.